spiritual values of thought in and practiced. So we have very experienced teachers who teach Bhagavad Gita for free on weekends. An hour of your commitment transforms your life completely. So we have multiple cities, in various cities around here: Seattle, Sammamish, Bellevue, Redmond, Bothell, Maple Valley. Everywhere we have new batches every year. So we are going to start new batches starting today. We are adding to the WhatsApp group. We are going to share the WhatsApp group details here. There is nothing better to learn than Bhagavad Gita. It has all the teachings that you ever wanted to learn in life. It has answers to all the questions of life. So please take advantage. It's free of cost. There is nothing better. And all the teachers who are going to teach are practicing Gita in their life for at least 15 years. So that's the advantage. And this is great knowledge. It answers all the questions. We have a short course called Discover Yourself. In 6 sessions, you learn all the key teachings of Gita. In just 6 to 7 sessions, you learn all the key teachings of Gita. Who am I? Who is God? What's the relation? What's the purpose of life? Why this existence is there? Why do bad things happen to good people? All the questions you ever had in life will be answered in just 6 sessions. All PowerPoint based, and that original material was prepared by an IIT professor. So you can join this WhatsApp group. And there is nothing better you learn, okay? And it's free of cost. All great things are free, right? Water is free, air is free, Gita is also free. So please take advantage of this. And Krishna is our father. He wants us the best. And he has given that the best thing in Gita wisdom. So there is nothing more to learn, there is nothing better. Whenever Narendra Modi goes to visit any other country's president, the only thing he gives is Bhagavad Gita. Because it has the highest knowledge. It's not a religious text. It's a life manual. If you buy a television, you get a manual, you know how to best use it. That's exactly how Bhagavad Gita is for human life. There is nothing better. So I request all of you to join the WhatsApp group. Can you project it properly?
You can scan it too. They can zoom it. I have tested it. It's working fine.
Okay. So we approve it, and we have classes on all the cities around here. So please take advantage of this. This is the best thing we give from our temple. We give prasad, we have darshan, but the best thing is the knowledge of Gita. So please continue chanting. This is the best thing, and join the group so you have the knowledge on why you are doing what you are doing. Okay? Thank you all.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai.